Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. I mean, FET was one of the winners today. If we look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that FET indeed moved up here. Yeah, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, FET. It was nearly 10% in the last 24 hours. But in the last week, it has basically not moved. So those 10%, when I see something like that, can be interesting, but we need to understand it in the context of the overall chart. So if we, for example, take a look at the FET chart now, well, 10% is nice, yeah, but I mean, look at the chart. It's not so meaningful overall, unfortunately, I have to say. The chart is giving its best, really, but it's not enough. Okay, it's not enough at this point. I know it's not funny, but we're ranging. We've just been ranging now for the last few weeks, really just moving sideways only below resistance levels here. Yeah, the nearest resistance area is between 25.9 cents and 29.2 cents. It's more like an area to watch. Could, for example, even be that this wave 2 is extending in the white count. Basically just ranging. In both scenarios, and that was sort of my communication, the narrative, the analysis over the last few days. In both of these scenarios that we're tracking, the chart is likely still caught in a correction. Either we're moving up in a yellow B wave and then come down in a C wave, or we're still caught in, or we're already in this C wave to the downside, and that would be the white scenario, in which, however, as far as I can tell, this A wave finished, the B wave was very weak, and the C wave down is now unfolding as an impulse, wave 1. This might be A, B, C in wave 2, and this is the resistance area for this wave 2. So to make the white scenario less likely, the market needs to move above 29.2 cents, move towards the upper resistance area between 31.1 and 37.2 cents. But then it's only the yellow count probably, right? It's because it's all choppy and corrective. So it will take a while until the bulls can really confirm that we are in a breakout. For example, it would take a break above the 50-cent level, the green line up there. That's the level when the selling pressure started to kick in on the 10th of October. And this is the level that some coins have managed to move above. Virtual, for example. Could even call it the only bullish coin at the moment. Yeah, I mean, it's not like that, but yeah, it's one of the charts that we looked at in our member live session earlier this week and last week. And as I said, it's one of the most interesting ones at the moment. And I made a video about that as well. So check it out if you're interested. But FET has a lot to prove. So what I actually wanted to say is we need to get back above that 50-cent level. Virtual has already broken above it. And it's on the move, yeah? So that's the update on FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.